Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. Did you know there is a whole online store dedicated to washi tape? It's called the Washi Tape Shop. They sent me some goodies for the season. Let's check them out. It is always a super fun day when some new goodies from the Washi Tape Shop land on my doorstep. I'm excited to unwrap these. It's like a little mini Christmas when you get things from the Washi Tape Shop because they're all wrapped so well. So I'm going to unwrap these. We're going to check out these releases. And I want to remind you that the Washi Tape Shop has some fabulous Black Friday deals. Don't miss out. That is the very first time that I ordered from the Washi Tape Shop, was taking advantage of some of their Black Friday deals. I did that a couple of years ago and then have never looked back because I absolutely love what they create. So don't forget to head over, check out the Black Friday deals. I do have an affiliate link down below. Doesn't cost you any more to shop the affiliate link, but really helps me out so much. All right, if you are interested in checking out what I received from the Washi Tape Shop and then maybe watching me do a little project with some of these tapes, stay tuned. All right, let's start with some of these singles. This one is called Rose Noir Wide PET Tape, and it is gilded, which means it's got a little sparkle to it. Oh my goodness, this feels really cool. Let me find the end of it and then unroll it for you all. You guys, are you kidding me with these black and gold florals? Now this is PET tape. It's all one tape. So these are not individual stickers. You can either use the whole tape, you can trim out what you'd like, but that's ridiculously beautiful. Oh my goodness. It like takes my breath away. That's what I love about the Washi Tape Shop, is the quality is really good, and then they're just so unique. This is not, you know, the average washi that you're picking up at a big box store. This is really special, really artistic. Love that. Okay, this one is called Florit Trilogy Wide Iridescent PET Tape. Let me open it up and get it unraveled. You believe that? Oh my goodness. So you have, this is kind of the neutral ivory color. Yes, there's an iridescent tone to them. Then you have it in the greens and the purples. Again, this is PET tape, so it's not individual stickers, but gorgeous florals. I'm obsessed. The gilded quality is so good, like ridiculously good. Okay, these, it's hard to know which one of them. I feel like the black is a little bit more unusual, but I can't, you know, ignore the purple. That is obviously going to be way up there. Okay, let's look at the other individual one. Kittylicious Wide PET Tape. I can already tell it's going to be cute. Let me open it up and we'll check it out. If you're a cat lover, oh my goodness. It says, I feel loving, I'm worried, I'm mad, easily distracted by cats. Look at these. Look at that guy judging you silently. You have all of these different kind of cartoon cats. Live, love, meow. Cat mom. Look at all of these cuties. Time spent with cats is never wasted. You had me at meow. Books and cats and coffee. Stay positive. Look how many stickers you get. Life is better with a cat. I think that is close. Nope. We got to get all the way back to easily distracted. Cats are my people. Look at how cute these guys are. Cattail. Oh my goodness. Wait. You have them in the black, and then, y'all, they come in like the browns too. Oh my goodness. And then it goes back to the black. Browns and pinks. Wow. That is so many different images. Love all of the different colors. That's pretty cool. Again, this is one big PET tape, so if you want the extra images or you want an individual image, you have to kind of trim that one off. But that is super cool if you're a cat person. Like, I think these are the most adorable little drawings. Okay, loving it so far. Those are super fun. Not necessarily like seasonal theme, but I think some of the other ones I got are seasonal theme. I'm excited to check those out. But the vibrant color and the shine on the PET tape, loving, loving, loving those. Okay, now we have 4 different sets. I think these are groupings. So let's kind of start. This one looks more spring-like. It's Fragole and Farfalle washi tape sticker set. All right, let's check it out. This one comes with 4 different tapes. You have this. Now this is also, well, this is not PET tape. This is washi tape, and these stickers are individually cut on this one. So you can pull off the individual stickers, which makes it super easy to use and decorate. I love using these as a quick way to kind of decorate a journal page or a daily planning page. I love that. Look at those gorgeous. It has you dreaming of spring for sure. It'll be here before we know it. Love, love, love. And then I like the groupings, especially like the sets, because then you know you can use multiple ones all together. So we have this cutie. This one is one solid. Nope, this one is individual stickers as well. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's tear this. So these are all individual butterflies. Let me just show you real fast. Yeah, you can totally take one butterfly. How pretty is that? I love it. And the washi tape stickers just melt into a page, which makes them so lovely to work with. I absolutely adore them. Let's see what else. This one appears. This is regular washi tape. Let's open it up and check it out. Beautiful. I love the color scheme, and I love the little hints of the butterflies right there. Soft, pretty. And then the other one is on a plaid, which is always going to be one of my favorites. I think it's just very pretty for the edging of a page, just to keep it simple. That is so stinking cute. I love it. All right, so that is a gorgeous kind of springtime feel. Now we're going to get a little bit more seasonal. Let me move these out of the way. The next one is Rustic Botanical Washi Tape Sticker Set. Let me open it up. It's got a little bit more of the dark, moody feels. Right, this one came with 3. First of all, we have these clusters. I love the little toadstool look. I love the soft pinks and browns. Those are fun. These are individual stickers again, which just makes them, again, like I said, really easy to use. I love the individual stickers. I love the vibrancy of these, but when it's an individual sticker, it kind of makes all the difference. Let me know if you agree. It just makes it easier for me to use. Look at those. So pretty. It's just soft and easy and beautiful, and I love it. And then I'm super excited about this, the alpha, and all of these are individuals, so you can spell out. I'm digging this a lot. So those are super pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. That's very, I feel like, easy to use, very fun. I'm loving it. Okay, let me move those off. I know when I start unrolling them, it gets a little bit crazy up in here. Now we have 2 super seasonal ones. We have Jingle Paws Washi Tape Set. I'm going to love that. And Cozy Celebrations. Let's start with Cozy Celebrations because I'm really looking forward to Jingle Paws as well. So we're going to kind of delay gratification and open this one first. Cozy Celebrations Washi Tape Stickers. Cozy Celebrations comes with 5 different washi tapes. Look at these skinny washies. Those are so pretty. They have a little holiday treats on them, little holly. That is super cute. And then this one feels very much like a party. It's got snowflakes and candy canes and a little snowman. Has a little bit more blue to it, which I think is beautiful. So those are kind of your standard washi tape. And then these, of course, are those individual stickers. You have the stockings and the presents, which are so pretty. I'm looking for where it starts to repeat right about here. So that is a long, it's a lot of different colors. I think that is super, super pretty. Love all of these little details. It just makes it so easy. Like if you are putting together holiday cards. Maybe you're putting together little quick holiday notes for people. Just adding just a white index card with a few of these little pieces on them makes for a beautiful, beautiful note. All right, look at these. I'm obsessed with this little house. I think it is gorgeous. The other way to use these that would be fabulous would be a gift tag, like a tag of some sort. You can just create your own little holiday tags very easily. And then look at these goodies as well with the treats. I happen to really like the terrarium look, and the wreath is very nice. And that's one sticker. The joy is not separate, just FYI. Oh, so pretty. Okay, cozy celebrations. Excited to use those. And then, you guys, this one says Jingle Paws. So you know it's going to be cute. Let me get it open. Okay, Jingle Paws is giving me all of the, I think they were called like cozy critters. Do you guys remember? They were like this little animal family. I think they were rabbits that you could play with. Look at these sweet animals getting ready for their Christmas. You have the mom knitting by the fire with the baby, everyone enjoying hot cocoa, headed to sleep. Oh, it's so, all of these scenes of getting ready for the holidays, so cute. And these are big, big stickers as well, which I think is fabulous. Love this so much. All right, those are cute. And then look, you can add these people in for your little scene. The little goose that is in the little blanket is adorable too. They can kind of join your scene because the size is pretty darn good. So you could bring in the whole family. And then we got even more family members. I can't wait. This is gonna have to be what I do to create a little scene in my journal. I'm pretty excited about it. So Jingle Paws, I'm here for that. These are some gorgeous tapes. Don't miss out on this Black Friday sale. Like I said, Black Friday is a great time to try some of these new shops. If you haven't tried the Washi Tape shop, maybe you haven't shopped in a little while, this is one you're not going to want to miss out on because there are some good deals going on and some fun supplies that maybe you've been eyeing for a while. Head on over there. Make sure to use the link down in the description box below. It helps me out so much. And I'm going to create a little project. I think Jingle Paws has to be where it is. So I'm going to make a little scene in my journal and bring you guys along. You can use these washi tapes in so many different ways and on so many different projects, several of which I will be sharing over on Instagram. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, go check it out, ScrappyWife blog, and you'll see some of these making an appearance. But one of the simplest ways that I like to use any of the Washi Tape Shop products is in my journal. This is my brainstorming journal. This is where I spend a little bit of time just brainstorming, just ideas, creative ideas, fun things, thoughts. It's kind of like, I don't know if catch-all journal is the way to say it, but I just love coming to it every day, or mostly on the weekdays. I kind of give myself the weekend off, but it's a great place to kind of collect my thoughts. And I love decorating the pages in advance. And you can see I can make this cute little scene down here, all of these animals enjoying their holiday fun. And it's just nice to open up a journal and see it decorated. It's the same thing as I say with my planners. Do you have to decorate a journal page for you to use it? Of course not. You can just write on the lines. You could just write on a random piece of paper. But I feel like when you do take the time to decorate it, it just feels good when you open it up and creating these little scenes. I happen to very much love seasonal stickers. I think it's nice and especially the winter ones cozy. It just gives you all of the feels. And I like it when my journal matches the season and the kind of emotions that I'm in at the moment. And for me, winter and holidays is all about cozying up in the house. I'm a homebody through and through, and kind of creating these winter scenes. My normal process for working in this journal is actually I sit down maybe one evening a week, maybe one evening every couple of weeks, and I just have fun decorating the pages. I do a bunch of pages, a huge batch at a time, pull out all the stickers, all the washi tape, all the things, and just start putting things down on pages, seeing what comes of it. I don't do specific themes necessarily unless I'm doing something like this, which is a seasonal. And then I pre-decorate a ton of pages. That way, when I'm ready to sit down and do some journaling, it's already ready to go. It feels good to be able to take this journal on the go with me, which is another fun thing that I like to do. Sitting in a coffee shop and brainstorming and just kind of watching the world is a lot of fun to me. So it's a great way to just use these supplies and to unleash a little creativity in a really non-intimidating way, because these pages, I don't need them to be Instagram perfect. I'm not going to be looking at it every day for a week like a planner spread. This is just one day, just fun with stickers, fun with washi, getting it down on the page, and enjoying these gorgeous supplies. Probably my favorite way to use washi tape in this particular journal is exactly what you're seeing here. That's creating borders around the page. I think it sets the tone. I think it allows you to use some of those goodies in a fun way. And I like that it sets apart that particular page from the one next to it, kind of frames it in. I think it's a pretty cool look. So let me know what you think of this gorgeous haul from the Washi Tape shop. Don't forget to go check out the Black Friday sale. I promise you it's one of the best sales of the year. You're not going to want to miss out, and it's a great chance to try some of these products that you have had your eye on. I highly recommend it. And the Black Friday sale, like I said, is how I first tried the Washi Tape shop a few years ago and never looked back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said before, I have the Washi Tape shop linked down below. That is an affiliate link, and it helps me out so much when you're able to shop that link. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. We're having fun with stamping in the month of November, and then we have a great project coming up in December, and you are not going to want to miss out on the bonus gift that is going to be available. So head on over to Patreon and start your free trial today. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.